So in this video we are looking at GRC 12. So if you look in the synchronization jobs folder in SPRO, we are seeing some new task, configure parallel jobs, which basically gives me some entries here. It looks like you can basically sequence the jobs. That's one thing we have. The second option I have is basically BOM data sync. It looks like it's looking for an input file. Third is parallel jobs. So it looks like background process, job class, variant, prefix of job. Okay. Looks like they are trying to sequence the jobs. Author sync is same, repository sync is same. Author sync screen looks same. Repositories screen looks little. You have IDM, IAG role import. Sync previously failed users, sync assignment, that's all same. Back. Action sync is same, role sync is same. Let's look at action sync. We have retention period, I think this right there. Role sync, it's the same. Firefighter log sync, the same. Firefighter workflow sync is the same. Fetch IDM schema is the same. We have master data sync, that looks the same. SOD organizational variable. Okay. IDM provisioning. We have pending failure, submit to IDM. So looks like submit request from here to IDM. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download the step-by-step guide. Thank you.